Good evening, everyone. It is June 24th, 2017. We're doing a quick personal box break for Christopher in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2016-17 Upper Deck Trilogy Hockey. So, good luck, man. All right, Trev. Alrighty, Chris. Good luck, man. Alexander Barkov, 572 of 849. Corey Schneider, 422 of 849. And we have Nick Schmaltz, level 1 rookie premier, 950 of 999. And nice, we have an Austin Matthews. I was just going to talk about this. 887 of 999. Out of the 999s, guys, you guys go look these up. These sell extremely well. You'd be very surprised for out of a 999 what this card would sell for. Nice one, man. Austin Matthews, level 1. It's a blank. All right, let's finish out the stack. And we have a Nikita Shoshnikov, level 2 rookie premier autograph. 230 of 275. Alrighty. And nice, Derek Stepan, signature pucks, who is now an Arizona Coyote. So, newly acquired Arizona Coyote. Nice signature puck. 2 autographs in this box. Sweet. And a William Nylander jersey. Nice. 321 of 399. And a Vladimir Tarasenko and Nikita Shoshnikov. Nice. 24 of 106 for the St. Louis Blues. And Nikita Shoshnikov, rookie premier, 332 of 999. And there you go, Christopher. That was your break. Really nice cards come out of here. I'm telling you guys, go look up this Austin Matthews at $9.99. You'll see. But there you go, man. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.